Hello, it's Brandon Bakes, and today we're baking all set at my grandma's house, and we're going to be baking homemade tortillas. So what you're going to need is a frying pan, a cooling rack, a press, a bowl, 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 cup of water, and a half teaspoon of salt. Now you mix all your ingredients. So put your olive oil into the flour, your salt into that, and your water into it. And just mix it up with the fork until everything is mixed in. Alright, so now I got the dough out of the bowl, and you want to get it till it's not sticky, and then knead it until you think it is ready. So I still think it needs a little bit more flour on the back side, and just knead. Okay, I think it needs a little bit more flour on the back side over here. And you're going to get a lot on your hands. So what you do is get some flour and just rub your hands together, and the dough will come out in little chunks. Alright, so it's coming together now. So what you want to do now is make it into a ball, and then just put a bowl over top of it for 10 minutes. Alright, so the dough is rested for 10 minutes. Let's take the bowl off. Alright, so that's what it looks like. So now you get out a pastry cutter and heat up your pan to like a medium-ish temperature, and line your tortilla press with some plastic wrap and put some flour on the bottom. So let's cut this up now. So one right down the middle, and this makes 6 tortillas, so cut it into 6 pieces. So I got that like that. Now it's 1, 2, and 3 right there. Let me just do that. It can be a little bit tricky to cut it off, so there's 1, 2, and 3. So now let's do it with the other side. 1, 2, and 3. And there's just a little piece over there, so I can fry that one up and taste test it without having a huge tortilla. So right here, we got the 6 pieces now. Alright, so I have my 1 piece of dough. Put it on your tortilla press. Put it down and press it. Press it really hard, pull it up, and just press again. Alright, I can see it coming off the edges a little bit, so it made a pretty nice tortilla. Pull the other side of the plastic wrap up. I'm just going to press it one more time. Alright. Now, pull it up. And get it off. And you might have to reshape it a little bit, like I do. So get out your rolling pin. Alright, so I'm done rolling it out. So you pick it up from the corners. And it's not going to be a perfect circle. It's like a rustic shape. And you put it in your pan. Just spread it down a little bit. And get your tongs. And just wait for it to start bubbling on the other side. Alright, so this one's done. Take it out and you let it cool. So I'm just going to start right away on the next one. So I got this piece of dough out. And then we're going to press it. Alright. Hop it up. Grab it out. Alright, I got that out. Flour it. Put the flour around and just roll it out. Oops. That's a little sticky. Alright, I think it's done. Alright, so this one is done. And put it into the pan. I'm going to brown, and I'm just going to cut when all of them are done. It might be a little hard to see, so I'm just going to pick it up. But this tortilla is really good because it's starting to bubble. So that means there's some air and moisture in it. And it makes the tortilla more flavorful. Alright, so these two are almost done. But I made a smaller one just so I can taste test one and not eat a whole tortilla without anything on it. So let's try it. That's a really good tortilla. And when you warm these up in the microwave, they'll become a little bit more flexible for you to use with your tacos and stuff. Just gotta check these ones. Oh, this one's done. You know when they're done when you see many brown marks on it. This one just needs a little bit more time. But I'll cut to this one when this one's done. But this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!